Today I will show you how to download Zoom. At first, we have to go Google, then type Zoom download. You can download from this link, and you can also download from this link. Not need to worry, and you will download this one, Zoom client for meetings. Here whenever you click, you can see this result. I already downloaded it. You can see that, and that's why I will not download it again. Uh, but for showing you, I will save it once more. Now I will cancel it. Whenever you whenever you will go to download and your download was completing, uh, go to PC, then go to downloads, and here you can see that this one I has downloaded before, and this one here you can double click in your mouse left button, or you can open it uh, by from there, no problem. And after double clicking it, it will be installed, and I will show what to do and how to do after installing and how to use it, no problem. If you want to join a meeting as a host, you will join from here. If you want to join any meeting as a participant, you can click this. So I will show you everyone the computer audio. Actually I am using headphone, that's why I click it. You can see that my ID picture is visible. Here show my audio. You can also video settings from here. Actually I was recorded it, that's why my picture cannot be visible. You can adjust it as you wish, no problem. Audio, everything is here. You can edit your profile from here, no problem. If you join a meeting as a host, you can use every of this option. Security, if you want to unmute one person especially, you can click here. Same way, you want to rename edit a person rename, you can click there. If you want to share screen, you can click here, uh, or here. If you want to give anybody and send anybody to waiting room, you can click here. And if you want to more secure your Zoom classroom, you can lock your meeting room, no problem. If you invite anyone, you can invite from here. Then you have to copy this link, and you can invite them easily. If you want to mute all, you can do it from here, no problem. And if you want to chat anyone privately, or directly you can chat everyone. Here I am using one person, that's why here private meeting is not showing invisible. And if you want to chat disable, then you can use host only, no problem. If you want to use any reaction, you can use it, no problem. If you want to rename your recension name, you can re- uh, edit your name, edit your profile picture, and here is all about, not to need worry. If you in meeting only for you, you can leave from this meeting here. If you want to leave this meeting for everyone, for all, you can click here. And that's it. No more disturb. And now I will meeting in meeting for all. If you join any meeting, then you have to enter a meeting link or ID here, and whenever you give a meeting ID or link, join is visible, and after clicking join, you have got this type of box like meeting passcode, and from where you get this link, this meeting ID, you have got your meeting passcode from here. Not to need to worry, don't worry. I'm always with you, no problem. This is your meeting ID. You can also copy from there and give them, no problem. Contract from here, and you can edit from here, no problem. And that's all about it. If you want to more benefited from my channel, please subscribe my channel and get my all updates before everyone. Thank you.